Example 4. Determine the equation of the straight line, which is parallel to 3y minus 2x plus 5 equals 0 and passes through the point 1, negative 3. Solution. Any line parallel to the given line has the same gradient as the line. 3y minus 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. Let us express the equation of the given line in the standard form. Rearranging the terms for y, we get, dividing by 3 on both sides, we get y is equal to 2 over 3x minus 5 over 3. Recall the standard form of the equation is y equals mx plus c. We can extract the gradient of m of the given line by comparing the two equations. Therefore, m is equal to 2 over 3. The line parallel to the given line has the same gradient, so m2 is equal to 2 over 3. So the equation of a parallel line can be written as y equals m2 times x plus c. Y is equal to 2 over 3x plus c. We can have many lines parallel to the given line. We are required to find the parallel line that passes through the point 1, negative 3. We can substitute the coordinates of the point on the line in the standard form of the equation of the line to determine the unknown constant term of the equation. Negative 3 is equal to 2 over 3 times 1 plus c. Therefore, c is equal to negative 11 over 3. Thus, the equation of the line parallel to the given line and passing through 1, negative 3 is y equals 2 over 3x minus 11 over 3. Multiplying both the sides by 3, we get, rearranging the terms, we get 3y minus 2x plus 11 equals 0.
Need more help? Subscribe to our channel. Can't wait that long? Ask Masky to help you, and let the math finally start mathing.